And my friends tell me, wow! Wow, only wow. Kawawa pala no.
Kawawa?
Wow. I like now, but later mapi like. Because too much hot. Maybe March, February hot, right? March.
This is this tower on the left.
Yes.
This is called Hamra Tower.
Hamra Towel.
The highest tower in Kuwait.
Aywa. Ayun pala.
Our office is next to Hamra Tower.
Near?
Next to Hamra Tower.
This one also, police. Para ka sa Europe, ano? Yan, oh. Yan pala yung pinakamataas daw na tower. Taas. Dito natin sa Makati. This one, Kuwait City.
Yeah, we knew.
Ito na yung pinakasentro, no? Para ka na sa Makati, ano?
Which is better, Kuwait City or San?
No, Kuwait City for business only.
For business, no?
More business is
Masaya. Maganda nga itong alis natin, umaga eh. Lahat eh. Wow, ganda. Pero mas mataas yung isa, no? Yung ganun ba? Oh? Iba yung pagkagawa ba?
bago.
Ba natin dito masensa po. Lagay ko sa yung panel. Wala ko lang butong ko. Tingnan mo yung building, may iba no? Iba yung tsura eh. Kalahati na eh.
Pre na cellphone ko,
Eh, matibay ito, honor. Mataas pala yung isa. Yun yung pinaka-uy, baro yung isa. Oh. Mahilig sila sa kalahati yung dulo, no? Ayun, oh, hindi tapos. Iba rin na ang design, eh. Dito, maganda tumira, oh. Mahal to, quality to dito, eh.
Brother, here expensive pa.
Here, this area so much expensive.
So what? Partition, too much expensive?
Small and expensive.
Europe. Hindi, ang gawin ng kumpanya, kuha silang isang floor. Tapos yun na yun. Paghati-hatian na.